Installation and login. Double-click the exe installation file. Follow the installation instruction for quick installation. If the installation process is blocked by a system firewall or third-party antivirus software, always choose to allow the program to operate. Otherwise, the installation process may fail and become unusable. Click the Copy button. Open the Chrome browser and paste the link to open the MIPS service background.
The box in the upper right corner of the home page to switch the language to English. Please enter your username and password to log in the management platform. Enter the server IP address in the device. Then you can find that this device is already connected in the management platform. In the console, you can view the face scan statistics, device statistics, attendance records, and real-time monitoring. Open the device management. In the device list, you can set the body temperature test and parameter. In temperature dictation settings, you can turn on the body temperature test, adjust the conversation temperature, set alarm, turn on the body temperature, turn on the mask dictation, as well as turn on the fan, the stranger mode, and the stranger record. In Parliament settings, you can set the living identification level, recognition, distance, the status of ID and IC card, voice and the display mode, as well as strange alarm. Open the attendance management. In attendance rules, it supports shift, holiday, public holiday, and device group settings. In attendance records, you can find and export all the information about employee's name, date, group, ID, the time of first clock on and not clock on, as well as body temperature. In attendance statistics, you can check and export the employee attendance statistics. Open the personal management. In employee list, you can enter the employee information, which includes personal ID, name, gender, equipment group, and phone number by single and in bulk. In visitor management, you can add and export the visitor information. In blacklist management, you can add and export the blacklist information. Open the pass management. In pass records, you can check and export the records about the snaps, names, ID, and body temperature by time and device. In pass permission, you can view all the authorization. Open the system management. In organization structure, you can manage it by different levels.